Hi there, welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 330e Msport here at your next car. So we're going to take a walk around the exterior of the vehicle whilst I talk you through some of the features and options, and of course we'll get through onto the interior. So starting with the exterior, where we have the genuine OEM BMW Mperformance body styling kit, which we have fitted all in-house here at your next car. As I've mentioned, it is a genuine OEM item. So front splitter is finished in the satin black. We have also got the gloss black front grills. Moving around to the wheel option on this vehicle, they are the absolutely stunning and freshly re-diamond cut 19-inch LA Msport Alloy wheels, and they are also wrapped all the way around in the Michelin Pilot Sport tyres. And as you can see, they are all unmarked thanks to being freshly re-diamond cut. Down the side, as part of the OEM Mperformance body styling kit, you get the satin side vinyls and side bars. You also get the OEM Mperformance body styling stickers. This vehicle also has the privacy glass, which is a very nice contrast of the Alpine white and of course the black of the Performance body styling kit. Interior is the absolutely stunning Old English saddle brown leather. Heated seats in the front as well as heated seats in the rear, which is a very rare option, and of course we will show you that in just a second. We've also got the power fold mirror function, excuse me, which I'll demonstrate for you in a little moment when we hop inside for a full walk around the interior spec. And there is the switches for rear heated seats, which again I will show you in a bit more depth in just a second. Moving around to the rear of the car now, where we have the satin rear boot spoiler and satin diffuser. Taking a look now at the boot space, which is where some people do have a slight concern. Being an e-drive, you do have all your battery stored underneath here. Luckily it does not compromise on the boot space all that much, and thanks to this vehicle being a very well spec vehicle, you do get the split folding seat function, therefore you're not going to lose that too much at all. Storage spaces to the right, and of course this is where you'll store your little charging cable, which is provided in the little storage pouch. E-drive badges on the both rear quarters, and we'll take another closer look at the stunning diamond cut 19-inch alloy wheels, and as you can see there, once again the Michelin Pilot Sport tyres. Split folding seat option, which once again, as I've mentioned, does give you that little bit more room should you require it. An extremely clean exterior and interior of the vehicle, and this is obviously where you'll charge the vehicle up. Okay, so moving on now into the interior for a full interior walk around now. So of course we've got the heated seat function in the front and rear, which we've already mentioned, which we'll take a look at just now. As you can see there, bringing you back over to the front now. Oh, sorry about that. We've also got the BMW Business Navigation and Media. It is the facelifted version because obviously we are in a 2017 car on a 67 reg. So of course you've got DAB radio and a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the USB. Communication wise, of course, you've got Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone, and there is the navigation screen. And we'll go back to the home menu, which is of course where you'll notice the difference from the pre-facelift iDrive and the facelift. Connected drive with the online search function, as you can see there. And we'll go back and have a look at the vehicle and vehicle status center, which is of course where all the service history and service information is stored. And if we click into engine oil, you'll see it's not due a service for 17,000 miles. And that is thanks to the vehicle has very recently been serviced at BMW, as you can see there. The vehicle itself has covered just over 20,000 miles. We've also got the 7-speed sport gearbox in this vehicle with the paddle shift. They are the 7-speed in the e-drive models. Okay, so that is pretty much going to finish off the walk around for the 330e Msport e-drive in Alpine white. We do of course hope you found the walk around video useful. One little last thing to mention is we do have the blind spot assist and the lane departure warning on this vehicle, which once again is a very rare option. So it will alert you of anything in your potential blind spots and stop you from straying out of lane on a painted motorway or dual carriageway. Thank you very much for watching. Do of course take care, and we hope to see you very soon here at your next car. Thank you, goodbye.